Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're back. We're live from the BDH. It's Turbo Tuesdays. That's right. Turbo Tuesday, Junior. Turbo Tuesday here, live at the BDH. That's right, that's right. Right now, the Nasdaq actually making a move down. She's moving downtown like Charlotte Brown. Down there through the dotted line, which is yesterday's close. We have rolled forward. If you're wondering, yes, we are rolling forward. Where's the car at? It's right there. Where's your car at? Where's your car at? Don't you worry about my car. You worry about your car. All right? Don't you worry about what I got going on. You worry about what you got going on. All right? All right. The NQ June contract has more volume. Correct. Correct. How's the microphone sound? How's the microphone sound? I got some messing around with the microphone, trying to make it a little bit better. A little better, you know, so you really hear me a little better. A little better. There we go. There we go. MCQ up $1,200 for the day. Market right now just plummeting. Plummeting here down to the 19,900s, pulling back here hard into that 9 o'clock hour. How's the setup going for Thursday? Well, we're actually I got the new desk. They should be here hopefully today. We got some new desks coming. We got the computers all set up. It's basically all we got to do is swap the desk out, put everything together, and we'll be ready for Wednesday, ready for Thursday. So that's kind of the setup right now. That's right, the setup right now, getting ready for market open. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, chat. New rollover, yes. Currently trading the NQM5 March contracts. So if you're wondering, roll over, baby. What is the white line with yesterday's close? Right here. Go into your settings, go to your scales and lines, and you go right there on TradingView. This is not an indicator, it's just your settings. So just click on the chart, go to your settings, scales and lines, go to previous day close, and bam, it'll show up there. Bang, bang, bang. Nasdaq right now dumping it back down there to the 19,900s now. Any trades yet? I actually took a trade here. I know. I'm an asshole. I took some shorts here, covered too early, shorted here earlier at the 972 area, shorted again at the 954s, and got stopped out there. Had a trailing thing, and then got stopped out there. Whatever. So I saw a setup here. I'll show you the setup that I was looking at. This setup right here, very tight looking setup, running into that resistance.
Payout 1% rule.
Getting tight here. So this, I was looking for that short to the downside. There it goes. Still going lower. God damn it. I'm always quick to take profit on these pre-market trades, but looks like I could have held on to that one a little longer. Down there to the 19,890s now. Breaking to the downside, we had that descending triangle, the LuxAlgo indicator telling us the pattern there, the descending triangle. Payout 1% rule. What's that mean? Oh, there we go. Costa got a payout. Costa got a payout. What are you doing? It won't come off. I got it. The detailer's coming today. He's gonna do it. Touch my car, bro. The editor over there touching my car. Do not touch another man's car, ever. Bros over there trying to detail my car and edit at the same time. Get to work, get to work. All right, right now, just looking here, look at the back of my head looking so, whee. That's fast, aerodynamic. It's aerodynamic, oh my God. Dude, the back, why is my head so flat in the back? I got a flat head. I think it's because my parents let me sleep on my head as a baby. That's why my head's so weird looking. How long before the editor starts trading? He's not allowed to. He's only allowed to edit. Can't start trading. He signed a contract. The problem is if he starts trading, then he's gonna stop editing. Can't have that now. You letting the same person cut your hair as after last time? No, it's a new guy. Well, it's an old guy, but a new guy. Has he signed an NDA? He signed a non-compete. He cannot work for any other day trading YouTubers out there. Is Landon gonna be here today? No, he's not here today. He said that he got better things to do. He's gonna be here later on today. My 12-year-old, he's too busy to come to the BDH every day. All right. Tomorrow, we've got FOMC tomorrow. We've got Nutty Bar. We've got Alpine Trader. We got a lot of fun, a lot of action. It's going to be a good, well, it's going to be hot. You know how we do. Hotties. Got a lot of action, a lot of people, a lot of stuff going on. Exciting times to be alive. That's right. Let's see what happens here today. I always say this, that like, oh, you know, be ready for anything on FOMC day, but you never know. Sometimes we get those big moves the day before FOMC. Sometimes we chop around. It just it's a crapshoot. So we'll be waiting, kind of watching, see what happens here at open. I don't have like anything particularly. I'm not like looking at the chart thinking like, oh, look at this perfect setup right now. I'd say it's looking more bearish than bullish since we've already gotten below the close from yesterday. We broke the downside there. Look at the 15-minute chart. We got a pivot point all the way down there, 19,790s. We broke out of this symmetrical triangle to the downside as well. So on the 15-minute chart, you got this symmetrical triangle right now breaking to the downside. We'll see if this trend continues. We got this low from yesterday, not the low of day, but kind of the 11, yeah, that is the low of day. The 11:30 low at least. The overnight low is a little lower, but the actual market hour open low is right there, 19,836 is down there. And then after that, we got a pivot point down there, 790. 790. How much to promote a prop firm on your stream? $1 million, Hansel. I accept unmarked bills only. $1 million in cash. Alpine blew all of his accounts yesterday. Well, you know, it happens. We all do it sometimes. He's also been very consistent and gotten $400,000 in payouts. So haters gonna hate, play is gonna play. At the end of the day, I don't really care how many accounts that you blow, as long as you're getting more payouts than you're spending on the accounts. So that's the truth right there. Make money, you know, fuck it. Everybody talks so much shit about the whole like, oh yeah, but he blows up so many accounts. I'm like, hey, does he make more money from those accounts that he blew up than he paid for? Well, then fuck it.
Can I send you the link? I want your feedback.
Can I send you the link? I want your feedback. Send the link to g@onlypropfirms.com. I'll check out your prop firm. Yo, prop firm. Have you rolled to the M contracts? I have. This is the M contracts we're looking at right now. 19,900, pushing back up here. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me help you. It's free to like, it's free to subscribe. On TradingView, all you have to do for TradingView to have the most, they've already rolled forward, is if you go on TradingView, just type in NQ1 exclamation mark, and that'll be the contract that you basically want to trade. Is this a straight sell day at open? Maybe. Hard to say. We did break to the downside here out of this symmetrical triangle, so anything's possible now. Patrick, in Romania, it's a debate between prop firms and brokers. What's your opinion about this? I don't really have an opinion, to be honest. Whatever works for you, my friend. Romania. Patrick, how can we hold for a bigger target? Go to the bigger time frames. If you want to get bigger moves in the market, then you just got to focus on those bigger time frames. If all you're doing is focus on the 1 minute chart and you're just zoomed in like this, you know, it's really hard. It's hard to get those bigger trades because you're just only looking at the price action on the 1 minute chart. So the best thing to do is zoom out, see what the levels look like on the higher time frame. So we broke down here, 10-minute chart, we're below yesterday's low. We've got this low here at 1140 from Monday. That's your kind of idea, right? If you're looking for targets for trades, our targets are always this previous area of support resistance. Cody Cook, Patrick, I'm on NQ1, but it shows a gap on my chart. Make sure your electronic trading hours is turned on. Guys, I'm not technical. I am not customer support. I am not customer support here. I'm not TradingView customer support. I am not prop firm customer support. Every day the questions, Patrick, I emailed Take Profit Trader, but they haven't emailed me back. What should I do? Just wait for them to email you back. What's up? What's up? Clean haircut. You know, hey, a little frizzy in the back, but it's working. It's working. It's better than last one. Patrick, I'm having trouble signing into my account. Well, just put your password and your social security number and your address in the chat, and I'm sure somebody can help you out. Put your social security number, put your Trade8 login information into the chat, and I'm sure somebody will help you out. No problem. Someone's gonna help you. Don't worry. What's up with Tesla? Let's see. Tesla, sell, down about 5% this morning. Is it time to buy Tesla? Is it time to buy Tesla? Tesla high back there in December of 2024, 462. Down there now to the 228s. Ouchies. The long-haired Hawaiian-style hair made you look younger. Well, I guess it's time for me to grow out my hair again so I can look younger for the guys in the chat. My goal in life, to impress a bunch of middle-aged men who watch me live on YouTube. If my girlfriend ever leaves me, I'm sure somebody in the chat would be my boyfriend. I mean girlfriend. Anybody want to apply to be my new boyfriend if Victoria ever leaves me? I'm not, you know, I'm hard to live with. I'm hard to live with. Patrick, I just started watching. Are you trading the new contracts? Look at the price, 19,900. Ben said he'll marry me for a visa, but no funny business. Well, Ben, that sounds like a terrible deal for me. You want to get married, but you don't want to have any funny business. Well, sorry about you. I'm not looking to just give out a free visa. There's gonna, if I'm gonna give a visa, there's gonna be some funny business. All right, there is gonna be some funny business. I promise you that. Patrick, do you need your hands for trading? No. Just keep your hands up. The best trade ever right here. Just hands in the air. Best way to not lose money, just put your hands up and keep them up. Try it. Everybody in the chat, just put your hands up in the air next to your head and just keep them like this and make little antlers. Yee! Just do this for the next 2 hours. I guarantee you won't lose money. I guarantee it. I guarantee it, chat. This is the only thing that I can guarantee right here. Just put your hands on your head and make little antlers, and you will not lose money for the next 2 hours. Good Rahat. Application name, I am Indian. That's your application name? Not a very good application so far. Hello, Patrick. Application name, I am Indian. Please marry me. Have you ever used Bolinex? I've never used Bolinox. Bluenox. Bolnox? Bullnox? Bullnuts? How do you even say it? Bullnox. Bullnuts. AJ said, be my boyfriend, Pat. I need a new Forerunner. The Forerunner's gone. I sold the Forerunner. I sold the Forerunner. It's fucking gone. No more Forerunner. Fuck that Forerunner. We got a new car. Oh, she's happy. She's a happy girl now. La Porsche Macan.
What platforms are a must-have for any prop firm?
Ooh, what platforms are a must-have for any prop firm? Probably Trade-of-8. Why do you have a picture of yourself on your t-shirt? Because I love myself that much. I'm the only person on this planet who can put a picture of themselves on their t-shirt and then wear it around. My favorite is when I go to Chipotle, they go, wait, is that you on your t-shirt? I say, yeah, that's me. And they're like, damn. Damn. Have you ever used Blue Chew? I've used Viagra before. Had a boner for like 15 hours. That was dangerous. Even after having sex like 6 times, still couldn't get the boner to go away. So if you don't have erectile dysfunction, don't take Viagra, because it will. I thought it would only last for a few hours, but it lasted for like 15 hours, just rock hard. Couldn't sleep. Just kept having sex all night and still couldn't get rid of it. I promise you. Porsche or Bentley? Porsche. Have you done a threesome? Yes. With your mom and your aunt. It was a little weird, but yes. Your hand must have been tired. No, my hand wasn't tired, but your mom's hand was tired. Oh God, she was having cramps. Trying to take care of my raging Viagra boner. Ben changed his mind. He's ready. He's ready for the funny business now. Now that he's heard about the Viagra, Ben is like, all right, I'm in. Funny business sounds fun. Oh man. Buy the RWB kit for your Porsche. I don't think they make an RWB kit for a 911 GT3 RS. You know what's funny is a lot of people don't know that what the RS means. Anybody in the chat know what the GT3 RS means? What is the RS part of that? Anybody? No. Some almost had it. It's not really slow. It's reduced speed. I think, right? Isn't it reduced speed? I swear. It is Rensport. It's Rensport. I thought somebody told me that it was reduced speed. That's how dumb I am. But yes, it's Rensport. RS is the Rensport, indicating a track focused high performance version of the car. But it would be reduced speed though, because the Rensport is actually slower than the Turbo S. So, because it's also the 911 GT3 RS has a lot more downforce, a lot more aero, more downforce. It is slow though. My Porsche is probably the slowest car that I own, but it's fast through the turns. It's slow in the straight, but it is fast in the turns. What do you think about Ferrari? I think Ferraris are for old people. I don't know why. Is it just, I feel like Ferraris are for old people. Like old guys. Like if I was like 60 years old, I would buy a Ferrari. You know? Google's saying that the 0 to 60 on the GT3 RS is 3 seconds, is what Google's claiming. 3 seconds for the 0 to 60. I wonder what the 765 LT is. I think it's like 2.7 seconds. So the 765 is 2.7 seconds. What's the GT 500 Shelby coming in at? 3.3. I'm thinking it's gonna be under 3 seconds when it's all done. All right. What else we got? Aventador. 2.8. Yeah, so I've got this one right here, 2.9 seconds. So the Aventador is faster than the GT3, but the 765 is the winner. Can't even type it. Ooh! 2.7 seconds. Quickest production car ever. What is this thing? That's also like on a track, which has been prepped, which is always a little tricky. That's an under 10-second car for a quarter mile, which is pretty decent. They had stock tires on there. So by the time that I tune, I'm gonna put bigger turbos, bigger exhaust, race pipes, filters, all the fun stuff to the 765. I think we can be under 8 seconds for the quarter mile with some R8 or R888 tires on there. I think it'll be real fast. Be real fast. All right now the Nasdaq just sitting here below that 920 area, which is yesterday's close. getting stuck there and pulling back. Just going into open here, kind of sitting back, waiting and watching. We got FOMC tomorrow. We've also got our good friend Nutty Bar. We've got Alpine Trader. They're going to be here as well. A lot of really big stuff happening. So make sure you're here tomorrow morning. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. Nutty Bar, Alpine Trader live at the BDH, my friends. Right over there. I got the new desk. They're going to be delivered today. I'm going to swap out those desks, put the monitors, put the cameras, put the microphones. It's going to be dialed. So fucking dialed. That's right. Dialed. Absolutely dialed. So S-Plaid. Yeah, but nobody wants to, like, the people that talk about how Teslas are fast, like, they're fast, but they're electric. You know, it's just not the same. There's just something about a twin turbo V8 screaming, you know, like a bat out of hell. You know, like driving the 911 GT3, 9,000 RPMs, it just hits different. You know, 9,000 RPMs, it just hits different. It hits different, I'm telling you. Pat, did you roll over? Yes. I rolled over. Patrick, what computer should I get for trading? Just whatever computer works for you. You don't need to go crazy. Patrick, why don't you buy a Koenigsegg? Why don't I buy a Bugatti? Why don't I buy a fucking, you know, I don't know. Why don't I buy anything? I'm not that rich, people. God. Patrick, why don't you buy this? Maybe I would if I had them. Patrick, do you like Formula One? I watch the TV show, but I don't really like watch the races. Nasdaq stuck there at the 920s. Nice little short opportunity there from 920 down there below the 900s now to try to make that new low. And just gonna be kind of sitting back, waiting and watching here. Open in 7 minutes, no rush. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Make money when you can. And then look to sit on your hands when the market is not doing what we want it to do. We had a little move down here. I was watching this symmetrical triangle. We broke to the downside. So the idea here now is that like momentum comes in and we start to move back down now that we broke this triangle. But we do want to wait kind of for market open. I think there's a little bit of news. This morning. What? We had news at 8:30. We had some 9:15 news. So 9:15 news already done. And that looks like pretty much the majority of the news. We got a 52-week bill auction at 11:30. Nothing out of the ordinary. And then maybe some stuff later. But tomorrow really being the big focus of the week. We've got lots of stuff going on tomorrow. And then obviously the FOMC press conference. We've got Nutty Bar. We've got Alpine Trader. We've got Jay Powell. Jerome Powell coming live from the BDH. That's right. He's going to actually, Jerome Powell is going to come to the BDH to make the announcement on the interest rate decision. It's crazy, I know, but it's true. Obviously, he's going to be right over there. Jerome Powell is going to have the FOMC conference live from the BDH. Right now, we are looking at the June contracts. NQM, June contracts. I am no longer trading in the March contracts. If my chart looks different than your chart, it is because I am trading the June contracts. What does the BDH stand for? The BDH stands for Big Dick Headquarters, Big Dick House, whatever you want to call it. Hey, PW, is Lance going to come trade? No, he's a bitch. He's scared. Everyone likes to talk shit on Twitter, but then when I say come to the BDH to prove it, they're like, every time. Look at that. I've literally drove this car from, I drove it from the semi truck that I got unloaded to, and I drove it and parked it right here. I have not actually drove it yet. I'm hyped up for it either way. I'm hyped up. Fired up. Getting ready for market opens here. Getting ready for the market open. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow it up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Hits big BDH. Should I play a drinking game with Nutty Bar? Every time Nutty Bar has a losing trade, he has to do a shot of Trump vodka. I don't know. Would it be worth opening this? I feel like this could be worth a lot of money one day. But also, Nutty Bar, he'd be drunk real quick. He'd be drunk real quick. I don't know if he actually drinks, though. I wonder. Nutty Bar, drinking, live from the BDH. Patrick, do you ever trade drunk? Oh, yeah, every morning. I'm actually drunk right now. I wake up at 9 o'clock and I just start doing shots of tequila and I'm ready to go, baby. Trade for Freedom said that he traded on mushrooms, made $20,000. I like it. All right, we got about a minute here till market open. 1 minute. 1 minute till market open. You know what that means. Uh-oh. It's time. Time for the members only chat. That's right, chat. Members only. We got less than a minute. We are ready at the battle stations. At the battle station. Let's go, baby. Get it stretched out. Ugh. Ugh. "28 seconds. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Blow it up now. That way we can all win together. Amen, brother. Amen. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, Nasdaq right now dipping down there, 870s. That first move of the day, straight down here.
What about JDM?
What about JDM? I don't know about JDM. I don't know if I'm a JDM type of guy. You know, could you see PW driving around in JDM? I don't know. I just don't know if that fits my character. PW driving around in a Mazda Miata. All right, Nasdaq right down there, the 860s right now. Straight down here so far. We got that pivot point down there, 19,800 to the downside. It's hard to get short right when this market just dumps straight down 40 points at open. Got to be patient here, my friends. Be patient. Let the market do what it's going to do, and then we look for an opportunity to make some money here. No rush. No reason to to fight the market here. Just let it do. Let it do. Let it do. Right now, chopping around there at the 860s. Still going lower, 850s now. Trouble here. Hard to get through that 875 level so far. Stuck there. Oh, right up there now. Great time to stay out of this chop here. Back up there to the 880s. Kind of testing the low there. 884 being that low from earlier that we were holding up support. Will it turn into resistance here now? The middle of that 2-minute candle. See if we build out this bear flag. It just looks a little too easy here. It looks a little too easy just to get short, huh? It's looking a little too easy right now. We've got that gap fill, could put us back up there, 19,019. That's where we closed yesterday. There's that 888 level that we're tapping into. Obviously, we got the 15-minute range coming up here sooner than later. The ES also kind of chopping around, looking indecisive. The Dow right now is at a pivot point. The next Nasdaq pivot point is not till 19,790s. To the upside, the pivot point's 20,078. Just kind of uneventful. Oh, buddy, wow. Dumping it straight down there. 790 pivot point down there next. Wow, where'd that come from? Got denied right there at the 870, 890 level. They're dumping it. Good Lord. I guess pivot point coming up there next. 790 pivot point down there. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, Nasdaq dipping down there to that pivot point now. Do we find some support? There's a pivot point right there at the 791s. Can you check the close? Yesterday was not 20,000, 19,000. It looks like it was. Or wait, no, it wasn't. That's not right. Huh. What the fuck? Why is that chart so fucked up? Well, that doesn't make any sense. Maybe because of the rollover, I guess. All right, there's that pivot point now. 790 pivot point. Just straight down move here. Wow. Fuck, I had missed out on this entire move right now. I've literally just missed out on this entire move. Insane. You got Monday's low down there at the 760s next. Here we are at the 780s now.
Why Nasdaq 19,570s in Octa FX? Which is your broker?
Stop trading with the FX. We're trading the June contracts. June contracts. We rolled forward, everybody. Richard said he took both trades that my son called out yesterday and made money. Oh gosh, that's kind of scary. 12-year-old on YouTube telling people when to buy and sell. I don't know what's scarier, a 12-year-old or me. Wow, this was a fucking dump here, boys. Not gonna lie, I just missed out on this entire move, so we'll be kind of waiting to see what happens next. It's okay to miss the move sometimes. It happens. Anyone says that they catch every single move in the market is lying. It was kind of like right there. We tested that 880 area on that retest, and there, that was that dump right there. Was kind of the move. Difficult either way. Still going lower here now. Nasdaq straight down to the lows right now. What a move. Down there to the Monday low now, 760 area. In theory, this should be kind of an area to bounce, but it's just straight down currently, both the ES and the Nasdaq here. All right, being patient. We took out the Monday low there. Monday low we took out now. Should be this kind of area to bounce back up here now. It was the overnight low on Monday. What am I looking for now? I would like to see a push back up here to that 840 area, get it denied. Push up into here and then try to make that next low down. We're right there at that pivot point as well. So we got 3 minutes here until the 15-minute range is set. All right, we'll look at the opening range break setup now. We got our opening range right now forming. We push back up here to the middle of that opening range there, the 840 level would be kind of a good spot to get stuck at. Look for that bear flag back down after that. Kind of the middle, right there, the middle of this candle. Right there, the 14 EMA as well. Unless we're just gonna get stuck right here and make a new low through this. Ugh, I hate that. That would be really terrible if it happens. Like that, kind of. Right down there to the 720s already. Should go lower here. Just straight down here. Wow. Gonna have a massive range to open up here. $690s now, 694s. It's at the day before FOMC, baby. The day before FOMC. Anything is possible here. There's your 945 range. We are now set. We are now set here. Oh, my Lord. You know what I want to look at? Let me look at this. Let's change the time period to a different. Let's look at the 2-minute opening range today and see how that played out while we wait for the 15-minute range here to play out. Can I change this? I don't think I can even do that. Look at, I mean, the 2-minute range today. Anybody trading the 2-minute open range? Look at that move today. 2-minute opening range. paying the bills from the 876s down there to the 700s. I feel like we got to push back up here some. What about the 5-minute range today? Let's see the 5-minute range. Five-minute opening range there as well. Looking real nice this morning. Straight back up right now. Let's see what happens. Flip future needs one more trading day and then he passes the eval. Let's go. Love to hear it. Love to see it. I want to hear more about it. Tell me about all the big profits, my friends. If you're making money, I want to hear, I want to know about it. Because then you got to send me the 1% of the profit share. JK, you don't have to, but you can if you want to. It'd be nice, you know. If you really want to, you could. But you don't have to. But maybe. All right, going back to the normal 15-minute range opening. I mean, ideally, it's like if we could squeeze back up here to the 788 level, get stuck there, and then pull back. I mean, obviously, that would be the better entry here. Like, I just don't want to get short down here at the bottom right now, and this thing rips up 80 points. You know, ideally. Ideally, you know. Market really sold off there at open, baby. On the pushes back up, do you ever implement the color change strategy? What's the color change strategy? When red takes out the green. Possibly, maybe. All right, I think if we get back below 19,700, then we make a new low. We got a pivot point down there, 631s. I want to see this push back up, though. If we get a push back up into this pivot point right there, that would obviously be ideal here for the shorts, but kind of looking weak right now. Getting denied there again at the 750s. They're the 720s here. Just need a little bit more structure. Need a little bit more structure. Tesla down 5% on the day. Tesla shorts making billions in the last 3 months. Justin made 1,800 bucks.
Break to the downside before open.
Let's go. 2 pounds. I like it. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. We are on YouTube waiting for this bear flag to play out. The more that we can consolidate up here, the better, in terms of like just kind of pushing back up, trapping more buyers, and then if we make that new low, it's real nice, real quick. Getting stuck there again in that 740 area. Wiki Wicks. Just need like just one more little push up here. Hit that pivot point, then it'd be fired up. Be fired up then, but down there again, 710s. Trouble here now. If they take it through the 700 level, how low can they go next? $1 million question. Got the ES and the Nasdaq trying to hold up here for now. But it looks like any more weakness comes in here, she's in trouble. Bruno up $6,000 with the bear flag at open. You fucking crazy son of a bitch, Bruno. You crazy son of a bitch, Bruno. Love to hear it. Love to see it. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Getting that money. Getting that money, Bruno. All right, Nasdaq making new lows right here. There we go. Through the 700s, down there to the 680s. The bear flag playing out. You gotta love it. I want some more of it. Took this little short. It wasn't where I wanted to short at. I wanted to short up here, but I'll take it for 20 points. Down there to the 78s now. Ding, ding, ding. Little pushback up there again. Just being patient. I did buy this little dip here as well. Almost bottom ticked it after that big drop candle. Just expecting that we needed some type of a little bit of a pushback up there. And we... On the day right now, we're up $5,000 in my live take profit accounts. And then we are up $1,000 in the Apex accounts. This is a good time to be patient. We needed a little bit. Just if we would have pushed up into here, then that sell-off would have been a lot stronger down through there. You can see the hourly chart playing out here. We had that symmetrical triangle. LuxAlgo told us. And then that break from to the downside there. What a move. What a move. I think this is the funniest. Look at my chart right here. Look at my chart. I shorted earlier there at the 19,970s. Oh God. Well, I would say, maybe I could have held those shorts a little longer. It's painful. That's painful. All right, right now the ES is right there. There's a pivot point 669 on the ES, 5,669 pivot point there. Will the ES find some support here and push back up? We'll see. The Nasdaq right now is just kind of in the middle here, just sitting here in the middle between two pivot points. Hide in sight is always 2020. Amen, brother. Amen. Also, right now, Take Profit Trader is 30% off. No activation fee. Use the code PW. That's right. That's right. And then we've got the Apex Trader Funding, 70% off. Use the code PW. Win, win, win. Basically, if you use the code PW at every single prop firm out there, you'll get the best deal there is. All right. So Now what do we do? Now what do we do? What do we do next, chat? Anybody know? Anybody? 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 Nasdaq breaking the 15-minute range to the downside. This pivot point down there, 630s coming up. We'll see if we get all the way down there. There's your 15-minute range break, 660s now. Bleeding out there. Bleeding out. Just bleeding out there. What a wild opening here. Market just straight down 200 points at open. 200 points straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Lieutenant Dan. Lieutenant Dan, I might not be a smart man, but I know what happens when the market goes straight down. Lieutenant Dan. Patrick, do you ever trade on your phone? I try not to. Trading on your phone is a great way to have FOMO. I've learned that. That ain't fun. I've tried. The problem is, like, if you allow yourself to trade on your phone, you'll end up just trading for no reason at all. You'll just be sitting at home 8 o'clock at night and you're like, oh, look at that, the market's moving, let me put a trade on, and then you end up blowing up. Not fun. It's not fun at all. All right, we're going into the 10 o'clock hour here. Right now, Nasdaq dipping down there. What a big move this morning. 200 points there on the opening range. We have not really had any type of relief bounce back up yet. Market's just been dumping here. Before FOMC, we got FOMC tomorrow. FOMC, Jerome Powell. How much is Jerome Powell gonna fuck this market? God, look at this thing go, baby. Still going lower, 640s, 650s now. One of the hardest things to learn has been learning when to stop. Ain't that the truth, Mike? Ain't that the fucking truth? I'd be a lot richer if I knew when to stop. A lot more successful, a lot richer. I'd have a lot more funded accounts. Truest, there has never been more true words spoken. Some of my worst trading days always happen when I can't stop myself. It's painful. And then it's like, obviously after it happens, you know, then it's like hindsight's 2020, right? After you blow up, after you go on tilt, you know, it gets it's hard to get short down here. I know I say that, but like, look at this setup here. Like, it's just really hard to get short. If you were going to get short, you had to be short here at the 700 level. Do I want to be short down here at the 640s? Probably not. Not a good spot to be short at, but market right now trying to push back up there. Remember, trading is not about being right. Trading is not about, you know, oh, did I know where the market was going to go? Did I make a lot of money? No, the trading is simply about, at the end of the day, did you make money or did you not make money? Missing out on trades, not taking trades, whatever it is, a lot of people look at it like negatively, right? They're like, oh man, I missed out on this big move. Oh my God, I suck at trading. But it's also like, well, you know, you could have lost money on that big move. You could have entered a short and then got stopped out, and you know, you gotta look at the glass half full. Sometimes not taking a trade is better than taking a trade. And I know that sounds stupid because everyone's like, yeah, but I could have made so much money if I would have just shorted right at open. Yeah, you could have, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Hindsight's 2020. The funny thing is, like, would you have held for this whole move down anyway? Probably not. You know, would you? Probably not. Probably wouldn't have done it anyway. So looking at the charts saying, oh, man, if I would have just shorted at open and held all the way to the 650s, I would have made so much money today. Like, yeah, I'd be a fucking billionaire trading in hindsight. Trillionaire, maybe. I'd have so much money. I'd be so rich if I just made all my money in hindsight. I'd be like so rich. Insanely rich. Right now, the Nasdaq just sitting down here at the lows. I mean, maybe it goes lower, but I would expect, you know, we need some type of pushback up here just to make it fair for the bears and the bulls. The bears got to eat. The bulls got to eat, you know? Bears and bulls make money in this market. It's the pigs that get slaughtered. The people that are shorting down here with heavy size right now, thinking that it's going to go down another 30 points, those are the people that are going to get fucked if this starts to rip up to the moon. So I'm trying to avoid being a pig. I'm trying to be a billionaire, not a pigonaire. I want to be a billionaire, not a millionaire. I want to be a billionaire. Still holding up there, just like down on these lows right now. I feel like it wants to perk up here a little bit. Starting to look a little bit like a bottom reversal setup down here now. If we get through that 80 level, try to push back up there towards the 700s. We got that 14 EMA right there. Right? 14 EMA right there to push back up to. We like it. Will it get there? All right. Hey, don't tell me I didn't tell you so. There's the push back up to the 700s now. There's the push. Hey, editor. Let's film another part of the vlog, dog. We'll film the vlog right now, the vlog. Hey, hold on one second, chat. We're filming here. Maybe a different angle because you already filmed from there. I'll stand up even. I'll stand up on it. Right now, this angle. No, you stand over there. Right there. Beautiful. All right. You ready? I'm gonna get close, but don't back up. Stay on. All right. We have locked in a little over $10,000 in profit. It is currently 10 o'clock in the morning, and the chat is fired up. We had a big move down. We saw this setup. Had to wait for the right opportunity. Couple little scalps along the way. I was short before the market opened, and then I see the 200-point move to the downside and the opening range playing out right now. Expecting a little bit of a bounce back up, but we're doing it live on YouTube, and we're making some money. We got 4,500 people watching right now. If you're not here, if you're not watching, you're missing out. So make sure you get here. Make sure you get here, people. We're doing it live from the BDH. Guy filming me. That's for my OnlyFans content. Take my shirt off later. Oh, man. All right, all right. Focus, people, focus. This is what we were thinking was going to happen, right? This little pushback up. Little pushback up. Why is that the... It's crazy because, like, the opening range right now is just massive. It's massive right there. This is that 15-minute candle trying to push back up. And this is what I was looking for, right? That push back up. We got that pivot point there at the 790s. We got the middle of the opening range all the way up there at the 800s. You know, the markets, again, the bears and the bulls want to make money. Buyers want to buy low. Sellers want to sell high. If you're trying to get short, like, are you really putting on size, you know? Like, are you putting on size down here for a short? Probably not. You know, think about it like that. That's the one way I like to think about it. If I'm a big trader and I'm trying to put on 100 contracts, trying to put on 50 contracts, 20 contracts, whatever it is, am I putting on size down there at the lows? Fuck no. I just can't do that. I've got to wait for the market to kind of push back up, create some liquidity, and then I got to put on some size. But I'm sure as hell not going to put on size at the bottom of this big move down. I've got to wait, you know, for some push back up here is what I'm looking for. Ruben Garcia in the chat. What's up, Ruben? Where are we at, Ruben? Ruben's probably made so much money today. He's rich off of that 15-minute opening range break. Well, maybe not. I might change it up. Might go to the 5-minute range break from here on out. I don't know. What do you guys think? 5-minute range break. Is that a thing for the 9:35? Should we try the 5-minute opening range break from here on out? I mean, it fucking paid the bills today. The funny part is, like, you know, on a day like today, yeah, it works. But other days, it might not work. So it's like you can't really change up the strategy just because the market did something today. There's that little push back up. We push back up to that 712 area now. We'll see if this is going to start to move down here again. We're stuck below that 14 EMA. 14 EMA stuck now. Someone said double bottom, then go to the moon. Oh gosh. Double bottom moon setup. That's a double bottom unicorn setup, boys. Double bottom, bottom, double bottom, bottom, double bottom. Oh. TJP making money on bear flags. That's right. Bears and bulls make money. It's the pigs that get slaughtered. Right there at the 720s now. Right there to the 14 EMA. Stuck for now there. This would be kind of that spot to get short, but fuck. It's not in love with it down here. I think we still got to push up a little. We need a trap. Like a trap up there to the 750, 760 area would be ideal. You know? Be ideal. Right now, this candle looking like it wants to just boner through this EMA there. I don't know why, but my boner detector is beep, 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 Oh God, wrong boner. That's the wrong boner, chat. Market pushed straight down there. Or straight up there, then straight back down. See if this trap is, which way this is trapping here. The bears or the bulls. She's a trap or die kind of girl. Right there at the bottom of the 15-minute range now as well. Trouble. Both the ES and the Nasdaq pulling back here. If they can get it back above this 80 level, maybe it starts to push back, but this would be like kind of that higher low before, well, higher low if we push here. Just continuing to chop here. Not looking good for the bulls. Both the ES, the Nasdaq kind of dipping down here again. That 660 area. Will they find some support here for a double bottom? It's right there, right now. Trouble, trouble. Making new lows here. Trying to. Holding up there right at the 660s. A lot of volatility down here. Seems like it wants to go back up, but just can't do it. We're gonna get a boner candle. They're trying to hold this low down there at the 660s. Back up here again. Looking real weak. Market is chopping around down here, 670s, chopping. Holding up here at the lows for now. Market's slowing down, trying to figure out if it wants to make a new low here. That pivot point down there, 633s. There's that new low, 640s now. Let's see if this is going to be the trap before the squeeze back up. I mean, in theory, that should be the trap to push this back up now. Right? I mean, back up there, 680s now. They're trapping at the lows here. That little dip and then right back up to the bottom of the 15-minute range again. Got the 14 EMA there at the kind of 88s or so. There's that push back up here now. She's going back up. Trap boots. There's that trap. So we trapped the bears, or we kind of dipped right below that, down there to that pivot, and then right back up. So this is kind of a double bottom setup now. See if the market wants to push back up here some. That pivot point there at the 790s to the upside there. VWAPs all the way up there at the 850s. This is like I said, the perfect spot to trap and then push it back up here now. Those 15-minute candles looking a little, getting a little slower here now. All right, now watching here, Nasdaq double bottom setup. We're pushing back up here now. Got to try to get back there in the 700s. Should try to be like a little bull flag. If we get above 700s, push up here, 750s, possibly. There's the breakout now through the 700s. Can we go straight up? Right there at the bottom of the 15-minute range. Everything else is looking bullish. Nasdaq, ES, the Dow right now trying to push back up. Nasdaq's kind of lagging here. You can see the ES is starting to turn back up. No bueno right now. Both the Nasdaq and the ES is kind of stuck there right below the 15-minute range. Got denied for that breakout there. And pulling back here once again, kind of chopping around. I don't think it's a short, but I mean, that's kind of the way I'm looking at it. I could be wrong, but I might be right also. Maybe just needs a little bit more time here on the 2-minute chart. I think we got to go, right? I mean, I just feel like we got to go here to the upside, break to the upside, and try to squeeze up there. Through the 700s again here. 710s right now holding us down through that 710 area. The highs of these candles got 717 there. Just not enough gas. Maybe one more dip down. Ten-minute chart. Nasdaq. They're trying to push here, just right there. Get through that 710 area. There's that new 10-minute candle opening up. Can we go straight through 710, 720s? And then up there towards the 750s next. We're holding up there at the 14 EMA right now, the bottom of the 15-minute range. This trend line here. Get one of these like breakouts like this. Whichever way we break out, obviously that's going to be the direction. Very tight here now. Very tight. Expecting a big move to happen. Just cannot get above 710s here. Market trouble here. If we get through that 680 area, not good for the bulls. And then they take it straight down there again, like right now. Uh-oh. The fake out. All right, now we go higher. There's the trap. There's the trap. We're gonna push to the moon now. JK, not financial advice. Just chopping down here in this range right now at the lows. 5-minute chart, just stuck below the 15-minute opening range here. Now we got to push. Now I don't want to tell you that we're going to go higher, but I'd be very surprised if we don't go higher here. Very surprised. Like, I'd be like dumbfounded. I'd be very fucking dumbfounded if we don't break through the 710s right here, right now. I'd be dumbfounded. Like, my face will look a lot dumber than it already is. Got 710 break, puts us up here 740, 745 area next. Look at the 5-minute chart here, getting very tight there at the 710s again. There's the break through the 710s. Let's keep up the momentum, chat. Through the 718s, right there, 740, 750s next. Push it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, now I'm dumbfounded. The day before FOMC, baby. You gotta love it. Just could not get through there. 710s again. I mean, it's just trapping both ways here. Yesterday, when I went to Chipotle, I came back, the market went up 200 points in a straight line, straight up. Literally at 1 o'clock. Or, yeah, 1 o'clock yesterday. Just magically. Not looking good. Again, just stuck here. Like I said, I'm dumbfounded. I'm dumbfounded that we didn't push through there. But, you know what they say, the market waits for no man. The market waits for no man. is what they say. All right, if this don't go higher, I swear to God, I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna get crazy. Again, testing that 710 area. How does this not go higher? How? Everything's saying go higher. The market makers, it's rigged. It's rigged, chat. It is rigged. This shit is rigged. Market just going sideways for the last fucking 30 minutes here. No big deal. No big fucking deal. All right, Nasdaq, don't let us down. Don't let us down, Nasdaq. Get through the 720s, baby. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy, Nasdaq. Do it for daddy. Do it for me. Up there to the 720s now. Can we go higher? 740s, 749 area, 750s. She's going higher. I mean, I wasn't wrong, but maybe I wasn't right either. All right. 730s. 730s, chat. 730s. Can you take? Oh, God. We don't want to get denied right here. We want this to keep going. I know it sounds weird, but we just want it to keep going. Maybe if I go to the bathroom right now, it'll keep going and then go all the way to the 750s. Maybe. Maybe. Nasdaq broke out here finally. We got 20 points, 30 points to the upside off that 700 level. I still think it's like, you know, up into there would make sense, but Nasdaq's gonna do what Nasdaq's gonna do sometimes. I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quickly. 730s again. Go all the way to the 740s here, chat. Come on. Do it for me. Do it for the king of YouTube. We got to a high so far of 33. I told you it was going to go higher, chat. I told you. I told you. JK, I didn't know. I got no idea what I'm doing. This is my first time trading. Just learned how to trade yesterday. Read a book online. I read this book right here. Funded Futures. It's a great book. You can actually get one for free. A digital download if you just check out, so I don't know, somewhere. Funded Futures. Patrick Wieland. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I read it last night, and now look at me. I know exactly where the market's gonna go at all times. At all times. All right, the high so far is 733. 740, 750 was kind of like that target to the upside, but just couldn't get through there for now. So the question is, will this turn into a big bear flag kind of set up here? We pushed up there to the 14 EMA. Both the Dow, the ES, everything pushed up there. Now back down here again. We got the opening range low 686s. Testing that trend line here now. Not looking good for the bulls. Back down 680s now. Dung Do making money in the chat. Dung Do. I love Dung Do. He's like a brother from another mother that I never had, or something like that. All right. We're still obviously at the bottom of the 15-minute range right here. That pivot point to the downside, 19,570 down there. Kind of like that would be where we go to next. Thomas C made 25 bucks. Let's go. $25 make you holla, right? Right now it's 10:45 here in the morning. By the way, tomorrow we've got Nutty Bar, we've got Alpine Trader. It's going to be the biggest, it's going to be the bestest, it's going to be the most amazing live stream ever in the history of live streams. We got the new desk set up over there. I'll be over there. Nutty Bar is going to be over there. Alpine Trader is going to be over there. It's going to be huge. Make sure you're here tomorrow morning, my friends. Do not miss out on all of this fun. That's right. Don't miss out on it, because you know we're going to be having some fun tomorrow. We've also got the FOMC meeting tomorrow as well. So a lot of good time, good times to come. Right now, just sitting here watching the market. Where she wants to go, nobody knows. I got all these charts and I still don't know what's going to happen next. I can't figure it out. I mean, it looked like we're breaking this bear flag. So if we start to make this move down next, take out this low from earlier, this little double bottom setup. This is prime real estate for basically just dumping down through here now. Is MNQ? No, it's NQM. Patrick, can you flip? Yes, you can. You can flip on the on Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader right now is 30% off, no activation fee. You can flip during the eval. There is no trailing drawdown during the eval, which makes it really nice and easy to pass the eval, but then it gets a little tricky to pass. Well, when you're in the pro account, you got to be a little careful. Once you're funded, remember there is that trailing drawdown to be aware of. But I like, people were complaining like, oh, why is there a trailing drawdown in the pro account but not in the eval? And I'm like, hey, don't complain, right? I mean, it's easier to pass the eval without the trailing drawdown. It's a gift, all right? It's a gift from God. Nasdaq breaking this bear flag to the downside. If we keep going, 630, 580s down there next. There's the move to the downside here now. This is a kind of, I want to say textbook, but a pretty textbook looking bear flag here. If you look at the different time frames, drawing your trend line there, seeing that we're breaking back down there below that 700 level. If you haven't already checked out the course, it's $199 to get the PW encyclopedia on trading. Dung Do is looking for 618 if you're short. All right. Dung Do. Dung Do, when are you going to come to the BDH? When you coming to the BDH, Dung Do? Let me know. I'll fly you out here. Wherever you are in the world, we're going to fly you to the BDH. That's right. Yeah, no Canadians. Sorry, no Canadians allowed. No Canadians in the BDH. Dung Do, an invitation? Okay, I'll send you one. Dear Dung Do, please come to the BDH. It's your best friend, Patrick Wieland. I would love to see your face in real life. His name is Dung Do. His name is Dung Do. He doesn't care about you because his name is Dung Do. Boop, 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 doop, boo. All right, Nasdaq. What happens next? The $1 million question. Maybe nothing. Maybe everything. Nobody knows. Just chopping around down here, man. Just chopping around. Michael Patak just said, don't buy a Lambo, don't buy cars, don't buy a boat. I gotta get that clipped. I'm gonna go find that and get it clipped. I need to clip that. I need to get that clipped. He just said it?
One guy was working at the golf course after, and while I was, got a tea time. I'm like, I remember you had a huge boat. I remember you did all this. And money can dry up real fast. You got to have other income streams that you put into it. It takes pressure off of you. The psychological pressure of I got to make a buck. When you say I got to make in this business, you guys know how much harder it is to make when you got to make. You make the most money when you don't need it. My trading psychology coach back in like 2001 told me that.
660.
It's okay. Micah Patak is literally the biggest cuck of this industry, so it's all good. He married a woman that went on The Bachelor, and then he called The Bachelor and cried about it and said, please don't let my girlfriend go on The Bachelor. I love her still, please. She loves me too. She loves me too. Ooh. You're never coming back from that. You're never coming back from that, man. Dung Deuce, short signal, he said. Are we shorting Dung Deuce? Right here? Right now? Are you sure? You tell me and I'll tell you. But I'm scared, Dung Deuce. I'm scared. I'm scared, Dung Deuce. I'm scared. I'm a real boy. I'm a real boy. All right, we are short. Looking for a move down here. Dung Dude told us to short. Might be a really bad idea, but wide stop. Stops above what, 700 here, Dung? Dung Do. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. We're okay. As long as you stay below 700, we're okay. We're okay. Oh, God. We're back above the 700s. We're not okay. We are not okay, Dung Do. This could, I'm never going to financially recover from this short. I think it, hey, it's a hard market right here. It's a hard market. We're all gonna have to, I'm gonna have to sell everything now. The Lambos, the boats, the cars, everything. What would need to happen for me to get long? I don't know. Either way, it's just hard. I mean, ideally, you're basically just, we got to get out of this chop zone. You know, I mean, that's the biggest problem here. We're just in this range. In the range here. The algos are on spring break, man. They're on spring break. All right, another bear flag kind of playing out here. We stayed below the opening range once again, stuck there, 708s. If we get through 670s, pivot point down there, 633. Dung Du is looking for this move down to the 600s. The man, the myth, the legend, Dung Du. Dung Du! Get through the 660s here, make a new low, chat. The anticipation, the drama, the anticipation of this move right now. Ruben's getting 60 ticks. This guy loves his ticks. I don't understand the whole tick thing. Just call it points. Don't say ticks. Points. No ticks, just points. Nah, ticks just sounds stupid. Mostly because Danny Trades always yells about ticks. That's why whenever I hear someone say ticks, I'm like, oh, it's like got PTSD of hearing Danny Trades going, guys, I'm up 200 ticks. I'm up 500 ticks. 100 ticks. Ah, guys, I got the shorts. 20 ticks, 500 ticks. I'm a longs. 100 ticks. That's literally what Danny sounds like. The longs, guys, shorts. Longs, shorts, everything. Ah! Ticks. Nasdaq still going lower. Dung Du with the short call out. Let's go. Round of applause for our moderator and day trading legend Dung Du in the chat. Who does it? Everybody was talking shit on Dung Du. Everybody was talking shit about Dung. Everybody. Why y'all hating so hard on my guy? Why y'all hating so hard? Everybody hating on Dung Du. Look at that. Dung Du with the call out. What a move. Dung Du. Are you kidding me? Look at that. The short, the move down. Dung Du is a living legend, chat. Living legend. If you are not impressed, then get the fuck out of here. Because Dung Du is doing it live. The man, the myth, the legend. Dung do. We pledge our allegiance to you. Dung do. We pledge our allegiance to you. Dung do. You are the hero we never had. Dung do, how many ticks was that? Dung do, how many ticks did you make? Jason just passed his FFN evaluation. Let's fucking go. Bro, I made so many ticks on that trade. I'd make so many ticks on that trade, like 5,000 ticks. Guys, I made 5,000 ticks. 200 ticks? Nah. Nah, 5,000 ticks. Only 5. I only do 1,000 ticks. Do you really have to pass the take profit account in 5 days? No, yeah, you got to trade for 5 days to take profit trader.
So I always use
Uh-oh. Down to the lows there on the Nasdaq. Top Step got short. I mean, Top Step got long at, on the ES at the 560 73s. Did not play out there. Did not play out there, did it? Dung Do just, all Dung Do's doing is just fading. Just fading. Fading Top Step. Dung Do, you crazy son of a bitch. You crazy son of a bitch. Bro, I have found my calling. This is the future for Patrick Wieland. I'm gonna get a boob job, grow my hair out, wear a hat so you can't see my face, and then I'm gonna DJ around the world. I think this could really be the future for me. Look at that. What is she doing? Oh, she's mixing it live. How she can't even hear it? Where's your laptop at? That's all I'm gonna do. PW is turning into a woman. Amazing call out by our good friend Dung Do there for the short. Everybody got so excited, thought that he was wrong, and look how that played out. Congratulations to our happy friend here. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna be back on later for Power Hour because I gotta get ready. I gotta get ready for the whole Nutty Bar Alpine experience tomorrow morning. So I probably will not be doing a live stream later on. just because I got a lot of work to do and getting this all set up and everything all dialed in. And it'll be a lot of fun. Tomorrow is going to be a good time. We got Nutty Bar. We've got Alpine Trader tomorrow morning live from the BDH, 9 a.m. Don't miss out. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. We got FOMC tomorrow as well. And then Thursday we'll be live. So Wednesday, Thursday, we're live with the entire setup here. So I'm excited to have the boys here. We're gonna do it live on YouTube with everybody. So if you guys enjoy these streams, do me one big favor, hit that like button. We got 788 likes. We got to get over 1,000. I mean, come on, it's like we're right there, man. We're so close. We're so close. Help me help you. Are you guys gonna go golfing? I don't know what we're gonna do outside of trading. I know we're gonna trade. That'll be a lot of fun, trading and doing it all live with you guys. So like I said, if you haven't already hit that like button, help me out. We got 800 likes here on the stream. Before you leave, we got 3,000 people watching. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Let Nutty Bar rip in the 765. Yeah, right. I would not let him drive my car. Are you crazy? He's Amish. Amish people don't know how to drive. You crazy. All right, Nasdaq pushing back up there after hitting down there to our first target out of the 15-minute range. First target has been touched. And now we see what happens there next. As we prepare. Right there at that pivot point there, 630 pivot point. Can they take it lower? $1 million question, I guess. Either way, I gotta go. I got work to do. We'll be back tomorrow morning for the biggest live stream in the history of live streams here on YouTube. So if you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, we'll be back tomorrow morning. I will see you guys then. And like always, make sure, you know, just stay alive, my friends. Make a little bit of money, walk away, do that every day, and you'll get rich. That, or you can start an OnlyFans. You got two options. Two options, chat. You can either start an OnlyFans or take a little bit of profit every day and then walk away. It's up to you. It's totally up to you. You got two options. Patrick, can you give me a trial to your course? No. It's $199. Wake up, bro. $199. $199. Okay? It's too cheap to give a discount or to give for free. Well, or to just, never mind. I gotta go. I'll see you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Peace to the Middle East. We're out of here. Another day, another dollar.